If you use Google Calendar and you want to turn off offline calendar, this quick tutorial will walk you through the exact steps. Whether you enabled offline access by accident, no longer need your calendar available without internet, or just want to change your settings, this process is simple and only takes a moment. If this video helps, don't forget to hit like and subscribe for more easy software tutorials. Let's jump right in. First, open Google Calendar in your browser and make sure you're signed in to the correct account. Once you're on the main calendar screen, look to the top right corner and click the gear icon. This is where Google keeps the main settings for your calendar. After you click the gear icon on, choose settings from the drop-down menu. This will take you to the full settings page where you can adjust all of your calendar preferences. On the left-hand side, you'll see a menu with several categories. Under the general section, scroll until you find offline, then click it. This is the section that controls whether Google Calendar stores your calendar data for offline use. Inside the offline settings, find the option that says Turn on offline calendar. If it is enabled, simply disable it by switching it off or unchecking it, depending on how it appears in your account. Once you do that, Google Calendar will stop keeping your calendar available offline. After that, you can go back to your calendar and your change should be saved automatically. If you ever want to use offline calendar again in the future, you can always come back to the same settings and turn it back on, and that's it. You've now turned off offline calendar in Google Calendar. If this video was helpful, please give it a like, subscribe for more helpful Google tips, and I'll see you in the next one.